Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you saw my last haul from Home Bargains, you would have seen I picked up the Santa Maria enchilada kit. So today I am going to be cooking this for my dinner. In the box, 8 tortilla wraps, tomato puree and the seasoning, and it says here just add minced beef or grated cheese, but actually I'm going to be doing chicken. Making enchiladas is quite straightforward. So again, on the back it has how to make them with minced meat. To keep this budget friendly, I am using chicken breast fillets which were frozen, but I've defrosted these in the fridge overnight, and these are from Lidl's. I believe they're £3.33 for a kilogram. Also from Lidl's, I picked up this British organic mild cheddar, and I'll be grating this up to put onto the enchiladas. First thing I need to do is to cut the chicken into small chunks, and I need to make sure these are equal in size so they cook at the same time. Next, you want to get a frying pan. I've got a little bit of oil in here and I'm just letting the oil heat up. So I have a mini oven, and you may hear some ticking, that's just a timer. I have to have the timer on for the hops to be on. But once the pan is on and the oil is heated, you want to go ahead and add the chicken. Just while the chicken is cooking, I'm just going to open up the box. So there's some sauce, the wraps, and the seasoning. And as per the instructions, in a bowl mix together tomato puree, water, enchilada, seasoning mix, and half the cheese. And then we want to pour this mixture onto the meat once it's cooked, and then simmer it. So while the chicken is cooking in the background, you may hear it sizzling. I'm just going to quickly make the sauce mixture. So I'm just going to pop the wraps out the way a second. This is the spice mix. So it's a medium spice, and you can add as little or as much of the seasoning mix as you want. So we're going to need 300 millilitres of water. The tomato puree, I'm just going to mix it in the jug to save washing up. You can mix it in a bowl if you prefer. Again, keeping an eye on the chicken as it cooks. And the seasoning. I'm not going to use all the seasoning. To make them quite mild, I'm just going to use roughly about half. So in the jug is just the tomato puree and the seasoning. Next up, I'm going to need to grate the cheese. It says 150 grams of cheese. This is a 250 gram block of cheese. I just need 150 grams, so I'm just going to grate most of it up. Cheese grated. I need half of the cheese to go into the sauce mix. I'm just going to put some of it in. And the other half of the cheese will be sprinkled on top. So just give that a quick stir. Chicken's still cooking, so you want to make sure there is no pink chicken. Chicken cooked, it's time to add half of the sauce mixture. And we just need to let the chicken and the sauce just to simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the cooking process has done, next thing is to take the tortilla wraps and to create the enchiladas. For this we will need the chicken and sauce mix, the tortilla wraps, and a greased oven-proof dish. Use a spoon the mixture into the tortilla and then wrap it up. Once all your wraps are done, all that's left to do is to tip over the remaining sauce and top it with the cheese. I had some sauce left over in the frying pan, so I'm just going to put that on top as well. all that's left to do is to take this casserole dish with the enchiladas into a preheated oven at 200 degrees for around 10 to 15 minutes, and then they will be done. And here's the end result. As you can see, the tortillas are crisped up, the cheese is melted. Thank you very much for joining me for this video. Please hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with all my videos. Until next time, bye!